Good morning, everyone. Today we want to see distributive lattice. Okay, all of you are familiar with the word distributive. In the last lecture, we saw what is complement of an element in a bounded lattice and what is a complemented lattice. Okay, let us just revise it quickly. Two elements are complements of each other, A and B are complements of each other if A join B is the greatest element of the bounded lattice and their meet is the least element. The greatest element of a bounded lattice is denoted by 1 and the least element of the bounded lattice denoted by 0. Okay, so we are going to use 0 1 notation further while defining Boolean algebra. Okay, so these are not your regular 0 and 1 elements. Do you understand this? So then we say that A bar is B and B bar is A. A is complement of B and B is complement of A. Okay, you can denote complement by A dash also. Okay, and a bounded lattice in which every element possesses a complement is called as a complemented lattice. Okay, now we want to see distributive properties and distributive lattice. Okay, see, I will just tell you a lattice whose Hayes diagram looks like a rhombus, it is called as a diamond lattice. Okay, girls, can you hear me? Okay, so this is called as a diamond lattice. Please remember this. Okay, now let us go to the distributive lattice. In the theorems I had given you, if you remember, in the statements of the theorems we had written that for any lattice, I'm not saying bounded or I'm not saying distributive right now. Okay, we have to yet define a distributive lattice, but the inequalities which I'm going to write, they hold for any lattice. Okay, so in any lattice or for any lattice, the following inequalities hold. Please write it down. The following inequalities hold. Okay, for A, B, C belong to L. Suppose for any lattice L, you can say the following inequalities hold. For any A, B, C belong to L, A join B meet C is less than or equal to A join B meet A join C, and A meet B join A meet C is less than or equal to A meet B join C. Okay, so these two need not be equal. I mean, A join B meet C need not be equal A join B meet A join C, but these inequalities always hold, and we are considering an example for this. Okay, so I'm considering a pentagonal structure, but see, it is not a regular one. So this is the 0 element of the lattice, this is the 1 element of the lattice, and these are the 3 elements A, B, C. Okay, so let us see the properties which we have written. Okay, Now this is less than or equal to. That means this left hand side can be strictly less than the right hand side, or at the most the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. But the left hand side will not be greater than the right hand side. Please remember this. Now let us see what is A join B meets C. Can you tell me from the diagram what is A join B meets C? What is B meets C? Can you tell me from the diagram B meets C? B and C, what type of elements are they? Are they comparable?
No.
They are not comparable, right? Because there is no connection between them. Directly they are getting connected at the maximal, the greatest element, sorry. So what is B meet C? You have to see the lower bounds of B and C. What are the lower bounds of B and C? Common lower bounds of B and C? या फिर सिंगल सिंगल बताओ. B के लोअर
Zero.
बाउंड कौन है? B के लोअर बाउंड्स कौन कौन है? 0. एंड A के लोअर C के लोअर बाउंड्स कौन कौन से हैं? C के लोअर बाउंड्स कौन कौन से हैं? A and 0. So common lower bounds कौन कौन से दोनों के? Only 0. So greatest lower bound will be 0 only. Okay. So GLB मीट देखना है मतलब एलिमेंट्स के नीचे देखना है. जॉइन देखना है मतलब एलिमेंट्स के ऊपर देखना है. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस. So A join 0. So what is A join 0? Any element, its join taken with the 0 element will be the element itself. See, यहाँ पे A और 0 आपका लीस्ट एलिमेंट है, तो 0 सबसे बॉटम में होगा. एंड नेचुरली यहाँ पे A इज एन एटम, B इज एन एटम. सो 0 और A के बीच में जब एज होती है, देन द अपर पोजिशन्ड एलिमेंट इज द जॉइन, the lower positioned element is the meet. So A join 0 is A. Now let us see what is A join B meet A join C. What is A join B? What is the join of A and B? A और B के ऊपर देखो, 1 है वो directly, right, correct. Meet, what is A join C? What is A join C? C, correct. And what is 1 meet C? 1 meet C. 1 and C. C is at the lower position. It is C, correct. So are they equal? Are you getting it? A join B meets C is not equal to A join B meet A join C. And in fact, what is the relation between A and C? Tell me. A is not equal to C, but where do you find A and where do you find C? A के सर पे C दिख रहा है आपको? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So the right A is less equal C. Okay? And therefore, what is A? A is A join B meet C, and that is less equal A join B meet A join C. Okay? Okay? So you can check the other inequality also. This is your homework. Check for this diagram. This is called as N5. Huh? इस डायग्राम का नाम है N5. Please remember this, N5. Have you understood it? Will you verify this second property for this diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Okay. So now we will define a distributive lattice. Okay. So in general, they are not equations, but when they become equations, we call it as a distributive lattice. A lattice L in which first one, A join B meet C is equal to A join B meet A join C, and A meet B join C is equal to A meet B join A meet C. Hold for all choices of A, B, and C belong to L. Is called a distributive lattice. Finished writing? So, is this lattice distributive N5? Okay, I will redraw the N5 lattice. This is N5. Now here we saw that A join B meet C is less equal A join B meet A join C. Okay. Now I'm changing the triplet. Okay, I'm changing the order of the triplet. For triplet, so in N5, okay, A join B meet C is less equal A join B, that is A join B meet C is not equal to A join B meet A join C. Now for triplet BAC, what we have? I'm changing the sequence. B join A meet C, because this is very important. The order is very important in distributivity. B join A meet C. Yes, what is B join A meet C? Can you tell me? What is A meet C? What is A meet C? What is A meet C?
A.
It is A. And what is B join A now? B और A के सर पे देखना है.
One.
1. करेक्ट. अभी इसका राइट साइड क्या था? B join A meet B join C. What is B join A? That is 1.
1.
B join C?
B join C. 1.
1. So 1 meet 1 is 1. So here they are coming equal, right? Therefore, B join A meet C is equal to B join A meet B join C. So what is happening here? This distributivity law does not hold, or distributive laws do not hold for all choices of ABC. Are you getting the meaning of this? For all choices of A, B and C. And of course, you can change the elements also. You can have 0A, B also. You can have 0A, C elements also you can take as your ABC. You can have BC1 also. That is also the meaning of for all choices. Okay, so sometimes the laws hold, sometimes not. So that is not allowed. It should hold for each and every choice of A, B and C and the way you are writing it for every sequence. Okay, and therefore N5 is not a distributive lattice. Okay, it is not a distributive lattice. So we are writing an example initially of not a distributive lattice. Okay, now we will have one example of a distributive lattice. For distributivity, how many elements are required? Can you tell me, girls? How many elements you are choosing? 3 different elements, right? Okay. Now another example I am taking.
Yes. Now another.
Let S be any set and let L be the collection of all subsets of S. Collection of all subsets of S. That is, L is the power set of S, right? Then under set inclusion relation, that is subset of, okay? L forms a lattice. We know this. We already have written this example so many times. For poset, for lattice, we have already written it. Okay. So we know that A join B is equivalent to A union B in L. And A meet B, A meet, I have to write A meet. So we define join and meet as union and intersections. Okay. This is A intersection B in L. Okay. And therefore, what is A union B meet C? Can you tell me? A union B intersection C क्या होता है? Union and intersection, they are distributive. Yes or no? Yes or no? Union and intersection are distributive in nature. Girls, what is A union B intersection C?
A union B intersection A union C.
Yes, right? And that implies A join B meet C is same as A join B meet A join C. Correct or not? Understood? And similarly, you can write about A intersection B union C. That is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C, and that implies A meet B join C. It's same as A meet B join A meet C, right? For any ABC in L. So these are distributive. This is a distributive lattice. Do you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Finished writing? Can I go ahead?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Therefore, L is a distributive lattice. So यहाँ पे आपको एग्जाम्पल कैसा लेना चाहिए? आपने S में कौन से एलिमेंट्स, अगर आपका S है A, B, ओके, तो उसका L क्या होगा? L इज द पावर सेट, फाई, सिंगलटन A, सिंगलटन B and AB, okay, and the Hayes diagram will be like this, okay. So this is phi, this is singleton A, this is singleton B. So you verify at home that this is a distributive lattice. Choose any triplet and see the distributive properties hold or not. Similarly, if you take A, B, C, your L will become phi, singleton A, singleton B, all subsets of S, singleton C, then you have A, B, then you have B, C, then you have A, C, and you have A, B, C, the set itself, okay. And the Hayes diagram will be a cube, right? So this is phi. Please denote by small circle the elements, because one should understand that this is Hayes diagram. Yeah, this is singleton A, singleton B, singleton C, this is AB, this is AC, this is BC, and this is ABC, okay. So this is also distributive under the same relation, okay. So these two are the examples of distributive lattices. Please check it at home. Distributive lattices. Is that okay?
Yes.
Similarly, D12, if you consider D12, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are the factors. And this is how the Hayes diagram looks like. 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, and 12. So one can check that D12 is a distributive lattice. Okay. D12 is a distributive lattice. So you can have examples. Suppose you consider 2, 3, and 4 elements. So 2 join 3 meet 4. What is 2 join 3 meet 4 here? What is 3 meet 4? 3 and 4 are not comparable elements. What is their meet?
1.
1. So 2 join 1 is
2.
राइट, 2 जॉइन 1 है ये. सो वो अपर पोजीशन का एलिमेंट आ जाएगा. नाउ इसका राइट हैंड साइड क्या होता है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव में? 2 जॉइन 3 मीट 2 जॉइन 4. सो व्हाट इज 2 जॉइन 3? द लीस्ट अपर बाउंड ऑफ 2 and 3. ऊपर में देखो, ऊपर 6. हाँ, 6 करेक्ट. 6 मीट 2 जॉइन 4. नाउ 2 जॉइन 4. 4. And what is 6 meet 4? 6 meet 4?
4.
Yeah, their lower bounds are 1 and 2, and the greatest lower bound is 2. So are you getting they are equal? Here, 2 join 3 meet 4 is 2 join 3 meet 2 join 4. And remember, whatever is true for join, you can replace it by meet in the dual. It is called as dual that we will see in Boolean algebra. कि join के लिए जो true होता है वो meet के लिए true होता है. तो similarly I can say to meet, join I am replacing by meet here and meet by join. 2 meet 3 join 4 will be same as 2 meet 3 join 2 meet 4. आप कर सकते हो quickly. यहाँ पे 3 join 4 होगा 1. Sorry, 3 join 4 होगा 12 and 2 meet 12 will be 2. इसका आंसर 2 आएगा. And what is 2 meet 3? 2 meet 3 is 1 and 2 meet 4 is 2 and 1 join 2 is 2. So इसका भी आंसर 2 आएगा. Okay? So this is a distributive lattice. Remember the posset or the lattice whose Hayes diagram looks like this. Okay? So then there is D20 also, there is D45 also. These are distributive lattices. Cubical structure है तो distributive lattice है. Rhombus structure है तो cubical lattice है. 4 elements, 6 elements, 8 elements. These are distributive lattices. Okay? Have you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There is another example. I will just state it. Okay. This structure is called as M5. हमने already N5 देखा. अभी ये M5 है. This is 0, 1, A, B, C. This is called as M5. And this is also not distributive lattice. Okay. So we should know the examples which satisfy the property and which do not satisfy the property. M5 is not non-distributive lattice. Okay. And N5 also non-distributive lattice. Okay. This is N5. Zero, A, B, C, 1. This is N5. Okay. So these two are non-distributive lattices. Yeah. Now we will have a very important theorem and we will prove it. It's very short one. And then we will have a definition of modular lattice and we can stop. Do you have any lecture after this?
Yes, ma'am.
Which lecture?
Yes, ma'am.
Which
lecture? Electronics. Swati Sarvate, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, so we will meet at 12:30, huh? Then again. Yeah. Let us please write with me. In a bounded distributive lattice, these two conditions are very important. The lattice should be bounded. That means it should have the greatest and the least elements, without which we cannot define the complement. And the lattice should be distributive. Okay, in a bounded distributive lattice, if a complement if a complement of an element exists. So this is again important. We are saying that if it exists, because we have seen some examples in the past where there were no complements, right? then it is unique. So please understand these conditions. The lattice should be bounded and distributive, and if the complement exists, then it is unique. Okay. Existence of the complement of an element in a distributive complement bounded distributive lattice implies its uniqueness. Okay. So whenever we want to prove that the complement is unique, we consider indirect method. That means we consider the negation of the conclusion and then we produce a contradiction. Okay.